After the catastrophic defeat at Arausio in 105 BC, the Roman Republic faced the daunting task of confronting the invading Cimbri and Teutones once more. The shadow of that disaster loomed large, but in 102 BC, at Aquae Sextiae in southern Gaul, Rome achieved a dramatic and decisive reversal under the leadership of Gaius Marius, setting the stage for the survival and resurgence of the Republic. Context: rising from defeat. The Battle of Arausio had exposed severe flaws in Roman military organization, leadership, and morale. In response, Marius, a novice homo and skilled military reformer, was elected consul multiple times and given command against the Teutones. He implemented critical reforms in the legions, standardizing training, improving discipline, and recruiting landless citizens into a professional army, creating a force both flexible and fiercely loyal. The Battle of Aquae Sextiae. In 102 BC, Marius positioned his army near Aquae Sextiae, modern-day Aix-en-Provence, anticipating a direct confrontation with the Teutones. Using intelligence from local allies, Marius discovered that the Teutones' camp was vulnerable, and he meticulously prepared his forces for both defensive and offensive maneuvers. The Teutones, confident from earlier victories and numerous in number, attempted to assault the Roman positions. Marius held his lines, utilizing fortifications and terrain to blunt their initial attacks. Then, executing a masterful double envelopment, the Romans launched a counterattack. The Teutones were trapped between the Roman center and hidden reserves in the hills. Chaos ensued, and the barbarian army was decimated. Estimates suggest tens of thousands of Teutones were killed, including their king, Teutobod, effectively ending their threat to Rome. Aftermath and significance. The victory at Aquae Sextiae restored Roman honor and morale after the humiliating loss at Arausio. It demonstrated the effectiveness of Marius' military reforms, proving that a disciplined, professional army could defeat even numerically superior barbarian forces. The battle also cemented Marius' reputation as one of Rome's greatest generals and secured the Republic's northern frontier for the coming decades. Legacy. Aquae Sextiae is remembered as a testament to Rome's resilience and adaptability. From the ashes of Arausio, the Republic not only recovered but emerged stronger, showcasing the power of leadership, strategic planning, and disciplined legions. The battle also marked a turning point in Rome's confrontation with migrating Germanic tribes, proving that with reform and tactical acumen, the Republic could overcome even the gravest threats.